Uh-oh.
Stop.
Good job, dude. Good job. Yeah, you almost did. You did good.
That's nice, Chad. Now you better play hard, bud.
Look out, Lou. Lou, get out of the way.
Go get that ball. Go get it.
Keep going.
We've only been here for a half hour playing.
Lou, that's your own team.
Get it, Justin. You got it, dude. You guys, back on the field. Once you pass this goal, you're out. Back on the field. Back on the field, child.
Lou,
Give your jacket back to you.
don't take the ball from your own team.
Tell her thank you for letting you use it. You'll see her next Saturday.
Kick the ball, Shannon.
Go back in, kick it in.
Oh, you're good at dodgeball.
She done? Go, Panther! Stop! Oh, she needs to go to her dad.
Alright. See you guys later.
Go, Lou.
Bye, Jenna.
Bye. See you Monday.
Go, Lou.
Shannon, thank you.
Oh, she's trying so hard. All right, dude, block it, block it, block it.
No, he's like, no, Nate. Lou, what are you doing?
Get the ball, Lou.
She did good. She backed off.
Yeah.
Now go! Go, Lou!
Oh. Animal.
Careful with your language.
She's an animal. Lou, don't push.
No pushing.
Don't push, Lou.
Good listening. Good listening.
Lou, say hi, Grandpa.
Hi, Grandpa.
Say hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grammy.
Hi, Grandma.
Hi, Pappy.
Woo, go, Trav!
Hi, Uncle Josh.
Travis!
See ya.
Run, run!
Okay, so you have one credit for you for the girl.
Oh, thank you very much. I appreciate it.
We'll put a kid got a problem, okay? All right.
Good job, Lou. Go, Lou, go.